Service should be performed by authorized service technicians only. Please review all of this product's literature, including all safety warnings and any associated job aids, before performing service on the appliance.
This video will show you how to convert from natural gas to LP on a JennAir commercial style range. Gas conversions. The pressure regulator and the burner orifice are set for natural gas. To use propane gas, the regulator and burner orifice must be converted. This conversion must be performed by a qualified installer or gas supplier in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions and all codes and requirements of the authority having jurisdiction. Failure to follow all instructions could result in serious injury or property damage. The qualified agency performing the conversion work assumes responsibility for the conversion. Do not operate the cooktop or oven burners of the range when using propane gas before converting the pressure regulator and burner orifices for propane gas use. Failure to do so could cause high flames and toxic fumes which can result in serious injury. Warning: explosion hazard. Use a new CSA International approved gas supply line. Install a shutoff valve. Securely tighten all gas connections. If connected to propane, have a qualified person make sure gas pressure does not exceed 14-inch or 36-centimeter water column. Examples of a qualified person include licensed heating personnel, authorized gas company personnel, and authorized service personnel. Failure to do so can result in death, explosion, or fire. Warning: tip-over hazard. A child or adult can tip the range and be killed. Install anti-tip bracket to floor or wall per installation instructions. Slide range back so rear range foot is engaged in the slot of the anti-tip bracket. Re-engage anti-tip bracket if range is moved. Do not operate range without anti-tip bracket installed and engaged. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death or serious burns to children and adults. Range doors must be removed in order to remove or replace kickplate. Lift the kickplate up and off of the kickplate tab. Locate the gas pressure regulator at the left rear of the range. Remove the gas pressure regulator cap by using a large flat blade screwdriver, turning the regulator cap counterclockwise. Turn over the gas pressure regulator cap and reinstall on the regulator so that the hollow end faces out and the letters LP are visible. Tighten the gas pressure regulator cap by using a large flat blade screwdriver, turning the regulator cap clockwise. Remove the burner grates. Remove burner cap. Remove the burner base by first removing the two T20 screws. Insert nut driver into the main gas opening and press down onto the gas orifice spud and remove by turning the gas orifice spud counterclockwise and lifting out. Set gas orifice spud aside. Next, insert nut driver into the simmer neutral gas orifice and press down onto the gas orifice spud and remove by turning the gas orifice spud counterclockwise and lifting out. Set simmer gas orifice spud aside. Replace with correct propane gas orifice spuds. Replace the burner base and screws. Tighten screws only until burner is snug to cooktop. Do not over-tighten. If using power tool, set it to the lowest possible setting to prevent breaking of screws. Convert remaining surface burners from natural gas to propane with correct propane gas orifice spuds. Replace burner cap. Replace burner grates. Remove the surface burner control knobs and bezels. Oven mode and temperature knobs do not need to be removed. Remove the two screws on each side of the range that hold the control console in place. Pull up on the control console and let it drop forward into the notched console brackets on each side. After all orifices are converted to LP, the flame height will not vary between simmer high and simmer low. This is how to adjust the simmer low turn down adjustment for each surface burner. Put a control knob onto the burner you want to adjust. Remove the control knob. With burner on and set to simmer low, adjust the simmer flame. Using a flat blade screwdriver, Turn the simmer low turn down adjustment screw clockwise until the flame height is below the bottom of the cap. If adjustment is too low, the screw should be adjusted counterclockwise until the flame is stable. Checking for proper range burner flame is very important. The small inner cone should have a very distinct blue flame. The outer cone is not as distinct as the inner cone. Repeat simmer low turn down adjustment for remaining surface burners. Certain range models will have an infrared grill burner that will need to be converted. Remove the two screws holding the grill orifice holder bracket. Pull the grill orifice holder out of the burner box far enough away to allow access to the orifice. Be aware not to kink the attached tubing. Remove the natural gas orifice spud and replace with the correct propane orifice spud. Slide the bake burner cover to the right or left. Lift up and remove oven bake burner cover and set aside. Using nut driver, unscrew oven baffle nuts and remove oven baffle. Insert nut driver into the gas opening and press down onto the gas orifice spud. Then remove by turning the gas orifice spud counterclockwise and then lifting out. Reverse previous steps to complete oven bake burner conversion. Using nut driver, remove broil burner screw. Pull the broil burner towards you until it slides out of the hole in the oven back, and pull the electrode out of the bracket. The broil burner will hang down in the back of the oven while you change the orifice. Insert nut driver into the gas opening and press down on the gas orifice spud. Then remove by turning the gas orifice spud counterclockwise and then lifting out. Repeat previous steps to complete broil burner conversion.